this video we are going to learn usage of the finscan command using an nmap tool and to obtain the packets that are captured parallelly by when the command is given. So first of all, just go to the start button and then click on Wireshark. So here I entered into the Wireshark and here are the various network interfaces that are available on my computer. So here the pulse which is indicating that I connected to this interface. So just click on this to capture the packets. So here are the packets that are captured through my network interface. So here we have to give the finscan command using an nmap tool in the command prompt. So to go to the command prompt, just click on start button and type terminal to open the terminal. So here I opened the terminal. So as I have entered into the root privileges mode, so here I need to give a command of a finscan. So that is I am giving the nmap -s and capital F and the target IP address of 192.168.43.102 and mention a port number of specific port numbers, that is of -p. I am giving the range of the port numbers, that is of 1 to 500 port numbers. So it will scan the 1 to 500 port numbers, as a finscan sends a packet only with fin flag set. So only to these ports it sends the fin packet, and the target IP address is of 192.168.43.102. So just click on enter. So you can see it takes a meanwhile of a time to scan. So here it is giving the result of the nmap scan report of the target IP address, that is it is showing that the host is up and all the 500 scanned reports of the target IP address are closed. And here is a basic information that we obtained by the finscan. So let us see what are the packets that were captured while applying the finscan command. So you can see here are the fin packets that are sent to the various port numbers, and the reply that we got, that is highlighted in the red frames, that the reply we got is RST plus ACK packet, and this means that the port is closed. As clearly I am mentioning that so the fin packets are sent to the particular port numbers, that is from 1 to 500 port numbers I have sent the fin packets, and the reply from the port numbers that I got is RST ACK packets. This RST ACK packets, the reply from the target to the host machine of IP address is 192.168.43.17, and from the target we got the RST and ACK packets, and we have given the fin packets to the target IP address, that is of 192.168.43.102 for all these port numbers. So here is a basic command to give a finscan for using a nmap tool, and by giving the nmap command, so here are the packets that are captured by the network analyzer tool.